What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joven and Tonic fam, Crow fam. I am back with some more bullish content for you guys in this video. In this video, we're going to be talking about dollar cost averaging and when is the best moments to accumulate assets that you have conviction on and believe in. Because right now, because of the recent protocol update, a lot of people are unhappy, and I can fully understand that. But if you truly believe in a project and you see the long-term vision for the project, you'll find times when is the best time to DCA, and you could DCA and win. Dollar cost average and win, guys. If this is something that you're interested in, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let's get to 3,000 subscribers on the channel. Check out my previous Tonic videos, guys, and my Tonic playlist. Keep rewatching these videos, guys. Let's get all of these videos up to 1,000 views a piece, 2,000 views a piece. Let's do it, Tonic fam. I know we can do it. On the Tonic watch list, we have 30,624 people. That number keeps increasing. Tonic down 4.84%. We're having a retrace, a correction right now because there's people in the community that are upset with the recent protocol update and the reduction in emissions, right? But on the overall for the project, guys, this will be beneficial long term. The less coins that get into circulation, the less emissions, reduces the inflation, which helps the price to be a lot more stable. The long-term holders of Tonic, they're already dollar cost averaging in because they see where the project is heading for the future. They're not getting out at a loss. They're DCAing into the project, and you know, whenever we start moving back up again, because it will happen eventually, they're gonna reap the rewards and the benefits. A lot of people are looking for an entry in Tonic. This is when you start DCAing in, when we see red in the markets and we see fear. $22.63 million in market cap, 335k in 24-hour trade volume, up 158%. Now is when you DCA and win, guys. Now is when you get into the project and you get a great entry. So now when Tonic goes to 500 million market cap, 1 billion market cap, you have a much better entry than buying at $30 million in market cap. The people that will make the life-changing gains in crypto are the long-term holders, are the people that are gonna stick through any ups and downs the project may have. The people that will make the life-changing gains in crypto are the people that are going to show conviction on projects through the ups and downs. It's not always gonna be, green days in the charts, guys. It's going to be red days as well. But one thing that is happening that the smart money is doing, they're still accumulating, they're still getting into the project. Right here, we almost have 37,000 people that hold Tonic as far as the number of addresses that are in Tonic. You see that number is increasing. And we also have people that are super level-headed in the Tonic community tab on CoinMarketCap, like Johnny saying, I see a lot of people concerned and pissed about the vault APR percent drop. A massive drop supposedly asked to preserve the sustainability of Tonic in the long run. Basically, the harvesting was adding billions of tokens to the circulating supply. Technically, people should have been vaulting out after harvesting to remove the tokens from circulation. That APR was not sustaining the growth of Tonic. It was just an incentive to get people to vault, right? Once again, right here, Tonic, we will hold the 2,000 as the floor. That was built by the Tonic OGs. Even if we go under 2 for a quick second, it won't last for too long. So if you're scared and can't hold, let it go and move on. We will buy the dip. Let's crow. How do we see projects in this space become successful? Long-term sustainability. What is happening with the emission rate changes? What is happening with the protocol update? It is preserving the sustainability of Tonic in the long run, right? This is how we should be viewing it, guys. This is how we should be reacting to the news. But trust and believe, the long-term holders of Tonic are still going to be in the project, and most of them were looking for an entry. Most of them were waiting. They saw Tonic run all the way up to 30 million market cap. They were waiting for that retrace to get back in lower and get another keep adding to their bag. There were people on the sidelines waiting, even on Twitter, saying, I was waiting for Tonic to drop, now I get my opportunity. From Castellano, LOL, people are jumping ship because it's dipping. This has been dipping for a full year now. You got some gains and all of a sudden shook. It's called patience. You bought in and it's dipping, so ride it out and add more if you can. People just want gains and no red ever. Very level-headed replies in the community tab for CoinMarketCap, guys. You can't expect green days all the time. There's going to be corrections along the way, right? But then after there's corrections, you get more sustainable. You get more. You get the floor to be held much more with people that are long-term holders. And then we have catalysts, or we have more bullish markets, which then send the price up further. These are the moments where I'd say you DCA and win, guys. This is where you DCA and win. Tonic goes sideways for almost a year. That's why I have a feeling that the explosion will be huge, like we never seen before. When in doubt, zoom out, guys. Sideways for this amount of time. That is a spring that is building. All of this is accumulation. All of this. So much time for accumulation. When the moment happens that we see that huge expansion in the spring and we have a huge move to the upside, I hope you didn't miss out, guys. I hope you're dollar cost averaging into the project. $22.6 million market cap. A lot of people are on the sidelines looking for entry after it ran to 30 mil. The entry is there. Let's see what happens. Let's see what most people do. From Bushido Crypto, nice to see Tonic going down. Going to watch it and buy as it goes down. DCA, dollar cost average, guys. He's going to watch it and buy in increments as it goes down, so he could have a better average when the price starts going to the upside. DCA and win. From Fact Checker, made 10.18 million Tonic tokens in about 12 hours. A big decrease, but still money that I did not have. Tonic is just the future of passive income. Tonic, my future token purchases will go to supply. There has been a reduction in the APR. I think this was around 50 or so percent. Now it's down to 18.3%. But Fact Checker is still taking advantage of that. 80% APR is still pretty decent, guys. It's very good, you know. I know a lot of people may be upset with the reduction, but this is gonna help the project long term, and Fact Checker realizes this. He's not, you know, gonna be saying, oh, I'm selling all of my Tonic, I'm getting out of the project. He's being level-headed. He's still gonna make future token purchases. He's still gonna be purchasing more Tonic in the future and adding to his bag. And whenever these red days start to turn to green days, it's people like Fact Checker that are gonna be making those life-changing gains, right? And another tweet from Fact Checker: some people just couldn't handle the Tonic Vault APR dropping, but remember that Tonic is a crypto ran mostly on DeFi. Passive income works better when planned as a long-term investment. Good luck everyone with the new changes. And we see right here Tonic is having a retrace while even Crow is green, but trust, the long-term holders are still going to be bullish on this project. They're going to be DCing in. They have a better entry, and when Tonic flips bullish once again, these are the people that's going to reap the rewards. Zygomatic, fun fact, I keep buying and it's cheaper to buy now than in 2 to 3 years. The Vault X Tonic exchange rate is going to be insane though, already at 1.6 in less than a week. The value of X Tonic keeps on going up. We'll make money as X Tonic gets in the 2.0 territory. Tonic has so many applications, and of course the ever-growing price of X Tonic. Vaulting, borrowing, staking, supplying. So many DeFi use cases. So many DeFi use cases for Tonic. And once you strategize, you keep your head in the game, you stick to your plan, and you keep your conviction, you will see the benefits in the future, guys. If you made it this far, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything Tonic and myself is in the description, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.